Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I just wanted to take a minute to show you the latest products released from by Kiwi Lane. I got mine in the mail and I just wanted to show them off a little bit. So I'm going to start with this bigger set. This new accessory is called triangles, which is exactly what it should be called. It is just a set of nesting triangles. So always fun. If you take a look at the back of the package, there's always ideas. So that's kind of nice. Right off the bat, you've got a couple of layout examples, both of which are super cute. I cannot wait to start playing with these. So there are 5 triangles in this set. So this largest one is about just a tiny bit over 8 inches wide and 8 3/4 inches tall. And then you can just kind of see these all nest right inside one another and give you lots and lots of options. So loving that set, and that is available in the shop right now. If you need a link, please check the description box and that'll take you straight to the shop. Whether you are established with another Kiwi Lane partner or not. If you're not already established, it takes you to my shop, and if you are, then it would take you to theirs as far as any credit for the sale. So don't ever worry about that. If you follow one of my links, you're still going to end up giving credit to whoever you normally are associated with at Kiwi Lane. So this smaller set is called the Thank You Kit. Okay. And this one has a couple of ideas for some cards, and it is kind of considered a card making set. Not that you couldn't use it anywhere else. There's some cute little pieces in here. So let me give you an idea of the sizes. So this one has kind of the stenciling for thank you. I was actually thinking about trying this like with some texture paste to see how that turns out. I'm just kind of curious, but this one, the template itself, is about 3.5 by 3.5. Okay, and you've got this other kind of size blossom. This one is about 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, and then you've got another little guy here that's about 1 inch all the way around. Okay, you've got a new leaf. We have a smaller version of this that came with one of the club kits. I love this leaf shape. I think it's awesome for just tucking right, coming out of a blossom under or over. So liking that. This one is about a little over 1.5 inches wide and about 1 inch tall. Then you've got your butterfly. It's a really cute little butterfly. Let's see, if we stand it straight up, it's about 1 inch wide and 1 3/4 inches tall. You got this cute little bird. Oh my goodness. So the little bird is about 1 1/4 inches tall by 1.5 inches wide. I was just kind of curious if this, yeah, so I've done this with some of the other templates where, like, if you want to make this wing, it looks like you could kind of use this leaf to help you with that shape as far as tracing it, if you wanted to get that bottom shape of that leaf. So just a thought. And then you've got this great little house with a little heart on it. Let's see, it is about 1.5 inches wide by about 1 3/4 inches tall. So all of these ones are included in the one that's called Thank You Kit. And again, I will provide links over to those There's always great ideas on the website, on the blog. So take some time and poke around a little bit, see what you think, and hopefully this is one set that you want to add to your collection. Thanks for tuning in today. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.